So we have another problem here, second highest salary, which is a medium problem. So we have a table name employee who has two columns, ID and salary, both of type integer. We need to write a solution to find the second highest testing salary from the employee table. If there is no second highest salary, return null. Okay. So we have employee table with ID 123 and salary 100, 200 and 300. As you can see, all three are distinct. Therefore, we have 200 as the second highest salary. But in this table, we have only one single row with salary 100. So we are getting null because we don't have any second highest salary. Okay, so we need to write a solution here. What we can do here, we can simply select distinct salary from employee, order by salary in descending order. Okay, after that we will simply limit our data till one row and offset 1. With offset 1 we can simply escape our first highest salary and we will simply get our second highest salary. Okay, so let's run this. As you can see, our answer is wrong because the table the column name is incorrect, but as you can see the answer is correct here. Okay, so what we can do here, we can simply wrap this in a CTE with CTE as. Now we will simply select salary. We will use one more thing here. We will use the max function here, just in case if we are getting any null values, then that is no values are present, then it will simply give us null here. So we can simply write max and then salary here and rename this as the second highest salary from CTE. So let's see what we are getting now. As you can see, the answer is correct. Let's submit it. So yeah, it's correct now.